searching for the right garage door specialist, keep these important things in mind. To best enjoy the long-term convenience and safety of your garage door, it's important to start with a specialist who will guide you to the garage door best suited for your needs. A trusted specialist can also determine if a damaged garage door requires repair or a full replacement. The following are 3 vital tips for finding a garage door specialist that's right for you. 1. Ask about the warranty length as well as any maintenance required to get the best use of your garage door. 2. With an average of over 300 moving parts, it's essential to your family's safety that you find a reliable and experienced expert. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right garage door specialist. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.